Hi, this is Sai Shyam. So recently, my leg got injured, the left neck. So I was literally in pain for few days, and I don't know whom to consult. And there was a people who referred Akhila Sunder ma'am for orthopedics, and Srikara is one of the best hospitals they referred. And for applying cashless insurance and everything, it went well. And friendly nature of the madam and politeness, how they treat, and I had a lot of apprehensions. What will I be able to walk and will I be able to stretch my legs? So recently, with the ambience what they had, and literally I was able to do my things on my own within a day. So she's very helpful, and lot of patience she has. And while doing surgery also, they literally made me feel that I'm in a home. They entertained with the music while doing a surgery. And also I was they assigned me a one person along with me beside the bed, so that I cannot feel like alone. I was there with someone. So assistance and all, it's really good. I have lot of my opinion towards Srikara is literally went high because of this Akila Sundar ma'am. So I cannot comment anything beyond. So as of now, it's pretty good. Thank you so much.